Hi, I'm Jarvis Hunt with Wayner Global, and today I'm going to go over how to remove and replace components on your CF-RV17-21 gas range. Now I'll show you how to change your LED light switch and oven light. It's a little tight here, but you're going to have two little I call them squeeze locks. You're going to have to reach in there. There's one on the bottom, one on the top. You're gonna have to get in there and squeeze the bottom one, and I use a screwdriver and reach in here to push down on the top one and pull it out. And then you can remove your wires. Your power wire, your incoming power wire, is on the single one on the bottom. Power going out to your LED lights. Above that and next to this is your ground. Now to reinstall it, ground, and this is your double wire. This is going out to the oven and the knob lights. Incoming power to the bottom one. Reinsert into the hole. Lock it in place. And then you can check for function. And you can tell if you have it wired backwards, because when you apply power, your light will be on constantly, and when you depress it, your knob lights will come on and your light will go off. So as you can see, I have this wired backwards, and your switch light is constantly on, and when you turn on your knob lights, it still stays on. Now if I switch the two power wires and move the incoming power to the bottom one and the outgoing power to your lights, now your light is not on until you depress the button. Now if you don't have any power to your lights, you could have a bad resistor, and we can replace that simply by unplugging it from the back of the light switch, disconnecting your positive wire at the connection, release the hold down screw, and you can pull this through and simply replace this part. To reinstall it, you're just going to slide it back through the retaining nut. Screw this back down. You can reconnect to your incoming power from your power center. Then simply plug this back into your light switch.